lovely people, it's so good to see all of you back again today. Beautiful morning, a beautiful Sunday. And Sundays में usually हम लोग क्या करते हैं? नाखून काटते हैं, कपड़े साफ करते हैं, बाल काटते हैं, यही सब करते हैं, right? But we bikers make the most of the Sunday by going out on a Sunday ride early in the morning before everyone wakes up. So right now we are at Trishulia Square and we are waiting for few of our other riders to join up. And once they are in, we'll be heading to a beautiful waterfall, which I will be revealing to all of you midway. So stay tuned. सो प्लान ऐसा है, अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं अभी फर्स्ट स्टॉप दैट इज़ आवर ब्रेकफास्ट पॉइंट. वहाँ पे वील रीग्रुप विथ अदर राइडर्स हु विल बी जॉइनिंग अस ऑल अप एंड उसके बाद हम लोग एक साथ निकलेंगे वाटरफॉल के लिए. सो स्टे ट्यून. Right now we have stopped at the same place where we had breakfast during my South Korea trip. It was coincident and all the memories were refreshed. In case you haven't watched that video yet, link is in the cards right now. Devam and Padar, if you are watching this, you guys might remember what happened over here. कुछ याद आया? If you guys remember this bike, this was the one which I had rode during the Paradeep ride. The good thing about this bike is that in this bike right now Akrapovic full system exhausts have been installed. So as you can see, most of the riders have joined up. So we'll be leaving in a short while and we have had a manageable breakfast. That's completely okay because you don't get a lot of good breakfasts at this place. So that's fine. So we have had our stomachs full and we'll be ready to roll in a few moments because almost everyone has joined up. So stay tuned. Well, आपने देखा होगा मैंने gloves निकाल लिए हैं. वो इसलिए because with gloves on it's very difficult to switch on and switch off the GoPro because वो vlogging case जो है उसका वो opening बहुत ही ज़्यादा छोटा है and उसमें मेरा gloves fit नहीं हो रहा है. It's very difficult to manage, इसलिए मैंने gloves उतार दिए हैं. But I don't like riding without gloves on. But I have to manage this time. Let's see. The weather is too good to ride because जैकेट से ठंडी ठंडी हवा अंदर जा रही है and the feeling is amazing. Anyways, जैसा कि मैं कह रहा था, we'll be stopping right now only after Banki. So that will be the first place that we'll be visiting to a temple. वैसे suspense के चक्कर में I forgot to tell you what is the waterfall that we are riding to. वैसे थंबनेल देख के तो आपको पता ही चल चुका होगा एंड वीडियो का टाइटल से भी तो आपको पता चल चुका होगा हम लोग किस वाटरफॉल पे गए थे. वी आर राइडिंग टू Ratnagandha waterfall and it's somewhere around 120 to 140 kilometers from Cuttack and Bhubaneswar both. This is one amazing lineup and we have stopped right now before Banki because we have to regroup with the other riders out here and that is the lineup. Beautiful. Somewhere around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 bikers are already here and 3 to 4 more are left. After they come, we'll be continuing the journey. What happened exactly is that we were supposed to go to Ma Bhaveshwari temple and probably we skipped it, so we are taking a U-turn right now and we are figuring out the route. So we have finally reached the temple and we have to go upstairs like there over there. So अभी बैग लेना है कि नहीं लेना है, I'm सोच. So we're going up the hill. Let's see what's in store. So we have two solo travelers, Sajal Bhai and Dhirendra Bhai with us, and they are going to explain what's exactly there in the place to explore. So, and Ashish Bhai too. So here we go. Sajal Bhai.
Solo but with the other bike.
Okay.
So what's there to explore, Sajal Bhai? You can explain us.
You can see that island
Okay.
in the middle
I'll try
of the
to zoom in.
Mahanadi river.
Okay.
This is Mahanadi river. So that island is called Bali Singhnath.
Okay.
And just opposite to that, there is a temple called Vaideshwar. So there are वो पूरा एक सीधा लाइन में ही है पूरा. वहाँ 3 पीठ है यहाँ पे. तो मेन है वैदेश्वर और बाली सिंह.
ओके, वहाँ पे जाना है थ्रू.
अभी तो बोट में जाते हैं, लेकिन आप थोड़ा जूम करके तो वहाँ एक ब्रिज बनना चालू हुआ.
ओके.
तो फ्यूचर में यहाँ से सामने जाने का भी एक रास्ता बन
Hopefully we'll be able to travel in a few more days. So that was the temple that I was talking about during the ride, which we had skipped. So that's the plan. We are clicking a few more pictures and we'll be leaving shortly, so stay tuned. So we had just gone up towards the temple for quite a few moments, suppose let's say 10 minutes, and within 10 minutes the entire village has gathered up over there. As you can see, this is the amount of attention that we got over here because of the bikes, the super bikes rather, the Benelli and the 650R. So right now we are leaving for the Gokulananda hilltop, and let's see what's there to explore out there. So we found something interesting over here. As you can see, a crow is getting worshipped over here, and I believe it's a popular belief of this village, speciality you can say. So as I was saying, we are figuring out the way to the Gokulananda hilltop, and I doubt probably it's the Siddhamula path that we are going to, which we had visited during our trip to Satkosia. Let's see if I am true. This is the Eastern Ghats, the ranges, and as you can see over there, those are the similar kind of ranges that we saw in Satkosia. People who are new to my channel and haven't seen the Satkosia video yet, link is in the I button right now. You can go ahead and watch it because it's a very beautiful video. Wow, the Accra. I don't know about you guys, but trust me, you have to be here to believe it. Like, For the time being, when I'm passing through this route, I feel I'm being in Kerala. You know, the hill station Munnar. I feel I am right now reliving my moments when I was in Kerala for a while during my training. So when we were here at the Siddamulo Nature Park back during our Satkosia trip, this place was completely barren, I could say, because there were no trees or plants. But right now, since it's the onset of winter, there are beautiful flowers and the park is beautiful. So we are going to the watchtower in a few moments where we had been there. I would like to show you guys the flowers that are here right now, and it's very beautiful. So next shots which are coming are the cinematic flash shots, so stay tuned. So it's very humid out here, and it's most important that you always stay hydrated. So what I was doing right now was I was drinking water from my hydration bag. So the backpack that I'm wearing right now is nothing but a hydration pouch, and it contains water. In case you want to know how I made it, link is in the I button right now. So right now I'm going on top of the watchtower that we had visited earlier as well. So we'll be resting there for around half an hour, and we'll be starting our journey to the waterfall afterwards. So Mr. Ghosh, do you remember the exquisite view that we had got from this watchtower? If you haven't, check this out. So a small change of plan. So instead of going to Ratnagandha waterfalls after Gokulananda, what we have thought is that we'll be having lunch first, because most of us are hungry, because हमने 7 बजे अराउंड ब्रेकफास्ट किया था एंड उसके बाद से कुछ नहीं खाया. So we have been surviving on water and ice creams and stuff. So most of us are feeling dehydrated. तो अभी प्लान ये है कि हम लोग अभी दसपला जाएंगे. दसपला के पास एक अच्छा सा ढाबा है, राजपूत ढाबा. वहाँ पे हम लोग लंच करेंगे, एंड आफ्टर दैट वील बी हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स रत्नगंधा. सो लास्ट आई रिमेंबर, वहाँ से अगर हम वो वाला रूट लेंगे तो सातकोसी आएगा. सो वी आर गोइंग दिस वे इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग देयर फॉर दसपल्ला. We have reached this hotel Rajput, and we'll be having our lunch over here. We'll see you in a while. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are right now at this dhaba called Hotel Rajput, which is near Daspalla, and we are going to have food right now because we are totally hungry and exhausted. Like बीच बीच पे मैं तो सो रहा था कि भाई कब आएगा ढाबा, कहीं पे भी खा लो, कहीं पे भी खा लो. Anyways, we kept going and अभी we are right now at this hotel called Hotel Rajput and हम लोग अभी खाना खाएंगे. So let's go and have food and उसके बाद हम लोग जाएंगे towards the waterfall. Wow, basically we had a sumptuous lunch. इतना ज़्यादा टेस्ट नहीं था बट भूख में सब कुछ टेस्टी लगता है शायद इसलिए. सो आई एम सॉरी आई कुडंट टेक शॉट्स ऑफ द फूड दैट वी एट बिकॉज भूख बहुत तेज़ थी. सो वी हैड राइस, चिकन, नॉर्मल स्टफ एंड अभी मैं थोड़ा कोल्ड ड्रिंक पी रहा हूँ बिकॉज नींद काफ़ी ज़ोर से आ रही है बिकॉज इतना सादा राइस खा लिया ना तो अभी नींद ही आ रही है. सो right now the plan is to go to Ratnagandha waterfalls and I'll be heading straight back home. मुझे और कहीं stops नहीं लेने. Meanwhile इस वीडियो को यहीं पे क्लोज करते हैं because काफ़ी लंबा हो रहा है वीडियो. So I hope you guys like the video and if you do so then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Biker Imperfect. In case you have any more queries you can feel free to hit me up on Instagram @biker.imperfect. ID अभी screen पे आ रहा होगा. So that's all for this video. This is Biker Imperfect signing off. Ride safe, ride with gears, live your dreams.